I'm not going in the water.
You don't, Laura, we're not gonna go under the water, we're gonna go in the sky. Do you wanna go fly in the clouds?
No, we're moving.
We're moving.
Can I drive?
No, you can't fly the airplane.
So we've just been taxiing, and Isaac keeps asking if we're in the air yet. And I'm like, you're gonna know when we're in the air.
I already feel like we're in the air. This is fun.
Is it fun?
Faster.
You wanna go faster, please?
We're going Arizona.
We are, we're going to Arizona.
We can take up a plane.
We are.
We're on the runway. Let's start going fast. Just waiting for our rental car. Alright, it's 2:15 here in Arizona, which is 4:15 our time in Kansas City. We didn't make it all the way to where we were trying to go. We're stopping at Kendra's parents to stay the night. Hopefully tomorrow's trip goes better than today. Jay,